Have you ever wondered why hiccups just appear out of nowhere and refuse to stop? Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps us breathe, suddenly contracts without warning. The quick contraction forces air into the lungs, and when the vocal cords close, that familiar hic sound is created. Hiccups can be triggered by many everyday things like eating too fast, carbonated drinks, intense laughter, stress, or spicy foods. Most hiccups are harmless and disappear on their own after a short time. But if hiccups last more than 48 hours, affect sleep or eating, or happen with other medical symptoms, it's time to see a doctor. For more videos like this, check out the rest of the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.